cutest couple on YouTube.
We just need to laugh so we can edit it in throughout. Make it seem like we're funnier.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be making vegan French toast, and this is everything you need. In the pan and the bowl.
You're right. Hello. Okay, we're gonna add some flour. Add some flour to the recipe. If you guys don't know, it's really going, we have to go really fast.
Yeah.
We're adding water, this mix.
Rush, yes.
We need oil.
Oh, it cut your head off. I don't know what to do about that. Oh.
We put in some oil. It didn't get like too wet yet, but that's okay. Oh my gosh.
Well, you gotta pour it in. You have to go fast.
It's a fast.
Do you want to preheat the oven?
Yeah, we're preheating it too. I'm gonna preheat the oven.
No, we're not. It's French toast. You don't put it in the oven.
Oh, fair.
Okay, we're just mixing flour and almond milk.
Oh yeah, so to recap the steps, we put in some flour, some oil, and some almond milk. It's not an exact recipe, squad.
It's not even a recipe. But it was so good the last time we made it. This looks like so good.
Are you sure? Next we're gonna use vanilla extract.
I think we should add the maple syrup next.
I think we should just add it all together, should we not?
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Oh.
Next we're gonna add some cinnamon. So for anyone who wasn't paying attention, Billy in the back, we have maple syrup that we just added, and we have vanilla extract. And here we have cinnamon, my drag name.
Wait, let's get a artist.
How to eat this recipe? I just stuck her whole hand. What? Okay, I'm mixing. I'm gonna add more maple syrup.
Yeah, that's what it needs. I was just about to say that, and cinnamon, because I'm an actual vegan.
She's a vegan. Should we add a tiny bit more oil too?
No.
No more oil.
Because we're gonna add oil when we cook it too. Earth balance.
Okay, Sarah's grabbing her earth bowel.
I forgot this and the ingredients too. Ready?
Like shot of the
bread.
So we have bread here. It's vegan.
It's from Trader
like
Joe's.
Sarah. Do you see that? This looks good as hell. I don't know what to do, Sarah.
Literally just put it on the plate. You're fine.
Oh, should we flip it so you can see it? You can't see it, I think, regardless.
It's in the pan. Let's put it on the medium because we don't want to burn our French toast for our video because that would be so embarrassing.
Hey, babe. Like, can you like do a little hand thing?
Huh?
I don't know, like. Okay, so here's our maple syrup. It's
Let's try it without it first.
Okay, we're gonna try one bite without the mape. For sure. Sad that I couldn't make
it. I don't know, it tastes like French toast.
I think it's bomb.
Yeah.
It really needs maple syrup. 100%.
Yeah. Literally, we don't like have anymore. Okay, wow.
Fuck. My bad. Oh, she's art. Oh my.
Take a picture! So I've been a vegan for 3 years now, and it's been great. I wanted to just see if I could do it at first. So I was like, oh, I'll just stay vegan until the summer. And here we are, 3 years later, still a vegan, still loving it. Literally, guys, it's so good. Like, the cinnamon, the everything. We didn't put nutmeg in it even, and it's still good.
No nutmeg. Nutmeg free. If you have a nutmeg allergy, this recipe is for you. If you have a nutmeg allergy, that's not even a problem. Like,
if you have a nutmeg allergy, follow me on Instagram at SarahScott3Ds. I'm vegan.
And comment below, like, how's it ever stopped you? Like, what can you not eat with a nutmeg allergy?
Subscribe, turn the little bell notification on, and follow me on Instagram at SarahScott with 3 T's.
Follow me on Instagram too at MattEcole1. And
I'm vegan.
See you later. Bye.